Could a solar superstorm plunge us into an internet blackout? It might sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, but the scenario is not entirely far-fetched. A solar superstorm, or a solar flare, is a sudden flash of increased brightness on the sun, usually observed near its surface. These flares are a powerful burst of radiation that can unleash a torrent of high-energy particles into space. When these particles reach Earth, they can cause a geomagnetic storm which can disrupt and even damage our technological infrastructure. So, how could a solar superstorm lead to an internet blackout? The answer lies in the very nature of our interconnected world. Our global internet infrastructure relies heavily on undersea cables to transmit data. These cables are not immune to the effects of a solar superstorm. A severe geomagnetic storm can induce currents in these cables, causing them to overheat and potentially fail. Additionally, satellites, which play a crucial role in global communications, are particularly vulnerable to solar superstorms. A powerful enough storm can damage these satellites, causing them to malfunction or even go offline completely. This could disrupt GPS systems, satellite television, and yes, the internet. But the risks don't stop at an internet blackout. A solar superstorm of sufficient magnitude could have far-reaching impacts. Power grids could be disrupted, leading to widespread power outages. Communication systems could fail, isolating communities and potentially hindering emergency services. Recent scientific studies have shown that solar cycle 25 has demonstrated increased activity with unexpected sunspot eruptions. Events like the Carrington event in 1859, a solar storm of unprecedented scale, serve as a stark reminder of the potential chaos a solar superstorm can cause. In conclusion, while the likelihood of a solar superstorm causing a global internet blackout is relatively low, the potential risks and impacts are significant. Understanding and preparing for these events is crucial, not just for our digital lives, but for our society as a whole. As we continue to rely more heavily on technology, we must also consider the vulnerabilities that come with it. And solar superstorms are one such vulnerability that we cannot afford to ignore.